Hi guys, my name is Raksha. I'm learning gardening with my husband, and in today's video we're going to be harvesting some cauliflower, purple cabbage. I want to harvest some carrots, some greens, and I'm going to take you guys with me. Let's get right into it. Okay, so here it is. I'm not sure if I'm going to pull a mamu, which is my mother, would just like yank this guy if she were here. Or should I use? I need help.
Well, you wanted this video, so you can get help.
That's right, Maya. Oh, I got it. I got it.
Wow, beaut.
Oh, look at this little cutie.
Mama's so strong.
Thank you. Thank you, Bubba. Okay, so we got this guy. Let's get some, well, let's get this purple cabbage here. I saw this one over there earlier that I think needs harvested. My mom does this test, like she'll just like knock to see if it's hollow or not and go like, oh, it's ready. It's not, but I think it's hard enough ready to be harvested, right?
Sure.
Okay, let's see if I can do this, guys. Need help. I need help, Patrick.
Okay.
He's too hard. There you go. Get all these leaves. I'm going to add the leaves in there, in this little raised bed that my husband found in the neighborhood. Refurbished it. I like how it looks, actually. So, about a year ago, I really got into going to the gym, health and fitness, and especially interested in my food, how it's grown, how it's produced, and I figured what better way to learn than from my husband himself and from this incredible space he's created here.
I think that's enough.
That is, oh my gosh, look at that vibrant purple.
Yeah, look at that.
That's
Wow.
a beautiful purple. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
What's this white stuff though?
It's just the wax or something that is on it to
It's
coat
not
it.
sticky. It's just powdery.
It's just the coating of the plant, to like protective coating, I think.
Interesting.
It'll
It's
come
so
off when
pretty.
you wash it.
That is very pretty. Okay, now my favorite, you guys, carrots. So the other day, my daughter pulled out a black carrot from here. I've never seen anything like it. It was literally black. So maybe we can pull out a black carrot today. Let's see.
I'll turn the water on.
We got a carrots here. Now, when did you plant these?
Before winter.
Before winter? And
That
then they
one
like
looks
the
like-
cold, huh?
In Florida here, you have to do them over winter, pretty much.
Let's see if this is a black carrot, you guys. Oh my gosh.
Wow.
It is. Look at that thing. This looks insidious. So, when do we plant this to be able to harvest this in Florida
Well,
at this time?
if the carrots experience cold weather, they get sweeter because they produce sugars when they get cold.
Oh, that's probably why that carrot Maya's eating is really sweet. It's delicious.
Yeah, if you try to grow them in the summer here, they'll just be woody.
Oh, okay.
They're not worth eating. So
And then, like, how about the carrots that taste kind of like radishes almost, like they've got that wasabi flavor to it? Do you know what I mean? Some carrots are just like spicy.
yeah,
I've
I'm not
noticed.
sure. Maybe those are the ones from the summer, the heat.
Let's see.
Yeah, those are the purple ones. Those
Look at
grow
these
really well
purple
here.
Carrots. Oh my gosh. Okay.
The black one makes your mouth purple.
This is just a really dark purple, I think.
Yeah, we'll show a picture of Maya.
Oh my gosh, you guys, look at that. Beautiful.
Look at that
Beautiful.
black one.
Oh my god, that guy looks sinister. That's a black carrot. Oh my
Beauties.
gosh, look at that.
Beauty.
Beautiful. Now let's go cut some tatsoi. It's, I think, from the same family as the bok choy, but tatsoi. Now, growing up, my mother would have me go harvest cucumbers, bell peppers from her backyard, and then occasionally we would plant all these flowers in her backyard, so that's my experience with gardening. But now I'm just really interested in how all this works, and Patrick's gonna help me. Now, these guys, I personally love to just boil some chicken broth, and I'll just throw them in the chicken broth, and it's delicious. Although you could just make it like regular spinach. That works too. It's delicious, absolutely delicious. And then we have a hybrid here of the mustard and then tatsoi, and it's not as pungent as mustard. It's actually delicious.
Yeah, we save our seeds, so it ended up growing next to it. Like this is a tatsoi that's flowering, and it must have been next to a mustard, and I guess they crossed.
Still very pungent. And this is my daughter. We love this little like broccoli bowls into it's like almost turned into broccolini, right?
There's more.
Broccolini is a different plant, but like essentially, isn't this what happens with
Little
the broccolini?
shoots.
Yeah.
There you go.
And then we just like add these shoots now to the salad greens. Oh, it's so tasty. And Maya loves it too. She loves the flour. You like it? Okay. And now, I think we're done harvesting here, guys. I want to show you my basket that I just harvested. You guys, look at this beautiful harvest that we just did. Cauliflowers, cabbages, we have calendula flowers. I love the calendula flowers for my tea lately. And then I use the calendula salve too now. It's been really healthy for my skin, at least that's what I'm noticing. Some carrots, tatsoi, a tatsoi leaf. We have some green onion leaves here. So my goal for this year is I want to learn as much as I can with my husband, and then hopefully in the spring, sometime end of spring, we want to have a farm stand out and start selling some of our harvests to the neighborhood. I'm actually really looking forward to that because we have so much food here that we just do not want to waste. So hopefully that all works out. We'll see how that goes. If you want to see the progress on that, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel and just come on a journey with us. And you guys, with that, I'm gonna get going now and cook this delicious harvest with my family. I will see you guys soon. Bye. Bye, Panamaya.